Okay, so we are here. Okay, so this is actually let me actually erase this all so that I can show you from the step one. Okay, so when we are here, so first thing what we do is we click on this zoom extend. So after clicking it, just adjust your screen. Now from this diagram you can see we have the outer box, which is 6 units in breadth and 10 units in length. Okay, so first step, go to draw, select the rectangle tool, choose any point, so we are not restricted there. Okay, any point, so length is 10, then you hit tab and the height is 6. Done. The first step is done. So this side is 6, 10. That's done. Now for the second this figure here, inside one, so it's a rounded one, like the edges are rounded with the radius 1. Here it is stated that the radius is 1. So what we do is we create another box. So how we create it, do you see? The difference between this line and this line, actually the distance is 0.5 units, and it will be same from here, here and here. So to create inner box, this inner box, so the dimensions would be this 10 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, because we are subtracting this distance and this distance, so it will be 9. And on the breadth also we are subtracting 0.5 two times from the 6, so it will be 5. So this inner which is kind of a rectangle, its dimensions would be 9 by 5, 9 by 5. So we click here, draw a rectangle. Look, we can draw it anywhere. I will show you how we draw it. So length is 9 and then tab, breadth is 5. Okay, enter. Now since we have drawn it up, so we need to get it inside here. Okay, so what we do is we go to modify, choose move tool and select this one, and after selecting this one hit enter. Okay, and after hitting enter you should be able to move it. Like you can move it from here to here, but you see we cannot move it precisely where we want to move it, can we? Like it will be like this or like this or this, but we want to move it on the center. So how we do it, I will show you how we do it. So go to the snap setting and make sure this geometrical center, okay, make sure this geometrical center is turned on. One more time, go to this snap setting, make sure this geometrical center is turned on. Now when you go to draw and then when you go to modify, then you go to move tool, select it, hit enter, then you see this appearing here, this button. Now click this and drag it. Now you see it is kind of a getting attracted to the center, like attach it. Look, now this is at the center. Click one more time and that's it, done. Okay, so we have almost done. Like we don't have much to do now, but remember to turn this one on, geometrical center. Now as I told you to draw these in the previous worksheet, to draw these curves, the first step we do is we draw a rectangle of the same radius. So we get the rectangle here, start it from here, and then type 1, tab 1 and hit enter. Okay, so we have a rectangle at the corner. So why we do it? We don't need this in figure, but why we do it? We need to do it because we want this curve to be precise. We want this curve to be radius of 1. Okay, now after this what you do is you go to modify, you go to copy tool. Okay, because we need it on all the 4 corners. You see here, here, here. Okay, so what we do, we go to copy tool. This, we select the copy tool, we select this one, hit the enter. Now we just make sure you select the right corners when you copy. So for with this one we click here and we drag it until here and hit enter. Okay, now one more time we do copy, we select here, hit enter, then select this one and go here so that it could snap at the corner very precisely. Click one more time, hit enter, done. Now one more time copy, select the same corner which you want to drag to. Okay, now we are selecting here one more time, hit enter. Now we are selecting this corner because we are going here. Okay, and click one more time, enter. That's done. Okay, there are many ways of drawing these curves. I'm showing you one here. Maybe in the next class I'll show you one more time, same worksheet, and we will do it a bit differently. Maybe that one will be easier than this. Okay, now once you are here, you go to draw tool and choose the circle tool to draw these curves. Okay, then you have to click here, and what is the radius for this one? You can see here radius is 1 for this curve, so we'll make it 1 and enter. Now it's easier for you. Go to one more time to modify, go to copy, select this circle, hit enter, and just drag it from this point to this point, and drag it one more time, this point to this point, click, and drag it one more time, click, and hit enter to come out of the tool. Okay, now you can see these curves already, which are the exterior curves. Okay, now from here we select this tool, which is trim tool. Okay, we select trim tool and trim everything which we don't need. We don't need these, we don't need these, we don't need these, and we don't need these, we don't need these. Perfect. So now you can see we have made these curves here. I'm keeping them here for now, but we don't need them, but I'm just keeping them here for now. So now from here, what is the next step? Next step is to draw these circles, 1, 2. Okay, so what I do, actually let me clean it from here only, not from all the sides. We draw the circle, and you can see I'm snapping to the center. How I'm snapping to the center? Because it is the center of this one. So let me actually see the radiuses of these circles. So for the exterior one, the diameter is 1, that means radius is 0.5, and for this one, interior one, diameter is 0.6, which means radius is 0.3. So after selecting the circle tool, we go to this center and drag. Now we make inner circle first. What is the inner circle? Inner circle is around 0.6, diameter is 0.6, so the radius is 0.3, and hit the enter. Okay, so we have the inner circle. Now select the circle tool one more time, go to the same center. Now this time radius is the diameter is 1, so radius is 0.5. Hit the enter. Yeah, that's all done. Now go to modify, go to trim tool, trim these two, trim these two, and trim these two, clean it up, and then go to copy tool one more time. This time select both the circles. Okay, hit enter, drag them from this circle to this, click here, drag them from this to this, click here, drag them from this to this, click here. Okay, they will snap to their points by themselves. So I think I made some mistake. I will show you one more time. Enter from here to here and here to here and here to here. Okay, before this they were snapping to something else, I think. No worries. So here we have all the four these circles here. Now in the middle, you can see from the middle there's a circle, and then there is this rectangle. That's the last thing we have to build. So how we do it, so we go to draw. I think we should make the circle first. Let me make the circle. Geometrical center is on, so I think I should get some. No. So how should we make this circle? Which I think just make the circle here outside. Make the circle here outside, and the radius is 2.02. Okay, then use the modify, use the move tool, select this, sorry, select this, hit enter. Yeah, from the center go to this center. Okay, click one more time and hit done. Now this circle is at the center of this figure. Okay, now to draw, we draw this rectangle in the same way. So we go to draw, choose the rectangle, click here. What should be it is dimensions. It is 5.2 wide, and then we hit tab, and what is its height is 1.2, and we hit enter. Done. So from here what we do is we go to modify again, we go to move tool, we select this guy here and then hit enter, and then from it is geometrical center, we drag it to just snap it here. Click one more time here. That's done. Okay, that's done. Now to clean these lines here and here, I think we have to go to trim tool, and we can just clean this line here and here. That's all we have to do. Done. The figure is ready. We can now just go to the modify, sorry, you go to the annotate. You can just see all. I think I chose the wrong tool, dimensions. Yeah, go here, just 10. This is 5.2. You can check the others also. This is 1. This is radius is 1, and you can check the rest. Okay, it is same. Okay, now go ahead. I have shown you how to do it. It will be very easy for you. I'll make this video also available on YouTube in some time. Okay, now